What is up, vlog channel? Hey, how you doing? Happy Tuesday. Okay. I hate having itches on my face when I have makeup on because I feel like I just scratch it all off. Today is a kind of a crazy day. So I randomly am going to stay at my cousin's house in the valley for like 4 days because she's going to London out of town and she has 3 adorable little kids and her husband's gonna be working some of the time. So I'm gonna basically go like live there for the week, help take care of the kids. They're so nuggety and cute. Also try to get some work done there, but probably not a lot. I tried to get everything done before. So I am just filming right now. I'm like rapid fire trying to film some videos so I can edit them at her house because I won't be able to film this week and I haven't posted videos besides one this year. Oops. Also, we have like cleaners and painters because Janine is moving out of our apartment and we're getting a new roommate on Friday. So it's gonna be weird. End of an era, but she'll be like next door for the next 2 weeks. Also, I got freaking jury duty. Okay, that's never actually happened to me. I kind of thought that was something that just like happens in movies or people talk about that's not actually real. And I got really excited and everyone in the room was like, Adrienne, no one gets excited for jury duty. This is gonna suck. You're crazy. And I was like, but what if I get like a murder or some like crazy case? I just drooled a little. And I think it would be sick, okay? Like I think it would be lit to get like really like dangerous felon and I have to judge it. And everyone's like, no, it's boring. And I'm like, no, don't take this away from me, okay? Everything in life can be good if you want it to be. So yay, jury duty. Although it might actually suck, but I guess we'll find out. I just packed a little suitcase for my cousins, even though she lives like 20 minutes away, but I needed to. So, okay, without further ado, bye. Why does this camera suck? I need to get a new camera. Hey guys, left my vlog camera in the car.
Hi, it's me.
Toys from like toys or like a warehouse and this is in there and so he sold it to him for $1.
Oh, is it couple?
Oh.
Guys,
Jeffrey. Giraffe attack thumbnail.
his name's Jeffrey, like the Toys R Us giraffe. So is he bankrupt?
Oh, he's cute. Wait, he has gray eyelashes.
Gotcha.
Vlog squad, girl style.
Wait, do it again.
Vlog squad. I'm getting demonetized. Anyway, I left my vlog camera in the car, but I was gonna say that we were at Tori's house looking at her new puppy. Look at the new little puppy. So we were having a girls' little wine night, food night, chill night with the poopy puppy poop. I look like a cone. Wait. Sometimes it hurts how hot I am. I know it. Hold on. What are you doing to me?
Can you turn that into a thumbnail, please?
Oh, look at the nails. Oh, baby. Look at the nails.
Is it cheating on my dog if
Yeah,
I
that's
start
my charge
playing with this dog?
Yeah.
Echo, you're giving me kisses. That's very forward of you.
Oh, that's so cute. My turn.
He's so cute.
You are so soft. This is a joke. This is a sick joke how soft you are, little buddy.
He's so
Literally,
good.
your fluff is like the fluff of a baby's bottom, but it doesn't have fluff, you know?
Now I see why Cruella de Vil wanted to make coats out of puppies.
Cruella.
Why are you so nuggety? This is illegal.
Definitely illegal.
Fast
you are
as-
under arrest for being way too freaking cute.
He should watch. Look how fast his little nub of a tail moves. He's like, Mom.
Look at his waggy. Oh, I want to see the nub.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. You can't even deal with your life.
Breaking news, Lauren can't deal with her life because Echo is so nuggety.
Problem. And the dog is so
Breaking news. This is gonna be the weirdest vlog of my whole life. Oh! That's really cute. Oh my god. Oh, I'm talking about the dog, not you, Lauren.
Oh, I know. It's not a cute face
I'm
that
joking.
I make. It's not a cute face that I'm making.
Wait, oh, did you kiss his little nosy? I just make weird sounds when things are cute.
So cute.
He smells like he just exited the womb and was like, hello world.
No, I'm glad that he's not smelling like that. He smells like he's exited the womb like 3 weeks ago.
Imagine being only 3 weeks into the world and you still smell like a womb.
I'm sorry that we are your first sight of the world.
I know. You were just such a little floofer. I'm dead.
So fluffy.
Gonna go take a photo. Bye. Hello world. It is 1:30 and I just woke up. We're doing well over here. This is good. So I got home from playing with the puppy last night, went right to bed. Haven't slept very well in a whole week because update, was at my cousin's babysitting the kids. It was so much fun. Obviously like didn't vlog because hi, kids under 4 years old. No time for anything. So I was exhausted and I just slept like literally a full night, like a full 12 hours, which I needed so bad. But anyway, we're going to Ikea today, Lauren and Hayley and I, and we're gonna pick up some stuff. I'm getting a mirror for our, well, I'll just show you when we get there. Oh, OTD, just kidding, I'm gonna change. Okay, bye. I have no groceries left, so I'm gonna make a smoothie. I'm trying to be, okay. I'm having a like whole phase again where I really need to get like super healthy, super fit and shape for a couple of reasons. One, it just feels better. Two, I have an opportunity to be on a show this summer. I can't say anything else, but I don't know yet if it's happening, but if it does, I wanna just like feel my best, look my best, you know? So I wanna be really healthy, really in shape, and just feel really confident. Because last year, when I lost all that weight, and like, I still feel really good, but I have gained like probably 5 to 10 pounds since then, like in a healthy way. I was like a little bit too not eating back then because of my allergies. I want to get back to kind of a midpoint between there. I was so confident, feeling really good, so we're gonna be healthy. Ikea! Woo! Hayley's describing my perfect match, and apparently there would be a DJ on the side. I mean, I could do it.
And if you're out there,
she's single. I am single and ready to dingle. That sounds bad. I'm in a phase, my love life, where I'm not searching for anything, but if something stumbles into my life, I'm kind of open to it.
That's why I said if you're out there, stumble into her life.
Well, my audience is like 90% female, so I have a feeling no, but I mean, it's cool. Wait, Hayley just said you never know who might stumble into your life, and that's because someone just stumbled into hers that was a long lost potential lover, but it didn't work because the guy didn't have the, I want to say cojones to actually like ask her out. So
say guys, if you like a lady, just ask her out.
Yes.
This whole beating around the bush thing,
not cool. Nobody has time for that. Going through Ikea, we just bought all our stuff. All right, we came to Ikea for like 2 things. Ended up getting a bunch, but guess what? I needed it. And I got a new lampshade because a boy sat on my lamp. I wish I was joking about that, but literally a guy sat on my lamp by accident. On the first night of Hanukkah. Wait, I think we got enough groceries. Also, I dropped an entire thing of tomatoes on the floor and then picked them up and proceeded to put them back so that I take them home and wash them. That's really savage. We have a new addition to the dining room. It's gonna be this mirror. Woo! Except we're gonna put it in the corner. And yes, we copied our next door neighbors, sort of.
Enhance the space.
Yeah, we used to have a plant there, but then we decided to keep that one over here, and that one over there, that one over there. So we decided, what else could go in the corner? A mirror. Yay! Mirror. What up, homies?